it out. We saved a green spider today from raining. She was hanging around, so trying to survive in raining, and jumped on my clothes. So I just brought her to my workshop. I think this is the baby of that one, but why she's green? So I'm just gonna leave her right here on the wall. She's kind of enjoying the flag, huh? Uh-oh, don't come to my hand, because we are not very friendly yet. We don't know what kind of spider you are, so I'm just gonna put it here back, and I hope you will stay here and be happy eating insects and grow bigger in my room, in my workshop, huh? All right, so let's get back to work, shall we?